So I just kind of wanted to go over a couple of pieces of the equipment. This right here is called a dehumidifier. Basically what we try to do is we get the moisture up in the air. This will actually pull the moisture out of the air. And we've got these nice, pretty clear little tubes here. We've got them ran outside since the drain on the sink was compromised. So we've got all that moisture going outside. Over here, we've got an odor block. You know, anytime things get wet, wood, especially old wood in walls, things like that, it, unfortunately has a pretty nasty smell. So we put odor blocks in our air scrubber. Air scrubbers clean all particles out of the air. So this moves a large amount of air. There's a HEPA filter here. So we're kind of dual purposing here. We're cleaning the air and then we're also getting it smelling fresh all at the same time. We've got another one over there because this is a good size area. And then we've got some smaller dehus because in this area, because it was not as wet, obviously, as where the original loss was in the kitchen. So at this point, we take readings every single day. We document those readings for insurance purposes. Once this area is dry, we'll be able to remove all of this equipment. Then at that point, we start discussing the situation with the insurance company and start rolling into the reconstruction.